Hi guys! Welcome back to the video series on Parajumbles. In our previous video, we solved a set of 3 questions where we were given 5 sentences which were arranged and we had to find a sentence that could either follow or fit in between. This question type is similar, but maybe some changes are there. Let us look what they are. Here again, we are given a set of 5 statements followed by 3 questions. But wait, here the sentences are not completely arranged. There are 2 sentences whose position has been interchanged. मतलब 5 sentences में से कोई 2 ऐसे sentences हैं जिनका position interchange हो चुका है. The first question usually asks us that which of the following sentences would be interchanged to make the sentences coherent and meaningful. This is followed by again a set of 5 options. Now when that is done, the next 2 questions are either a statement which would fit between 2 statements or something that would follow a particular statement. But please remember that if we don't get the first question right, which asks us about the interchange, there's no possibility that we would get the other 2 questions right. But wait, घबराइए मत. It is not as difficult as it sounds. It's just that a few complexities are mentioned in the question, but it's very easy to do once you get the hang of it, a little bit of practice and a lot of understanding of the question. So let's get started. एक question solve करते हैं to put all of this into perspective. The first question here says, Statement 1. The increasing demand for organs far outstrips the supply. Second says, faced with the limited prospect of obtaining life-saving organs legally, wait lists are as long as 12 years in some regions. Some turn to other options, the black market. This is followed by statement 3. Organ trafficking encompasses all steps of the harvesting and transplanting process, from donor recruitment, organ removal, and transporting the organ to the buyer. According to the World Health Organization, this black marketing of organs accounts for 5 to 10% of the kidney transplants performed throughout the world every year. The last statement says, the so-called voluntary nature of the transaction is highly suspect. So once we read the statements, we get a general idea that these statements are talking about organ transplants, the donors. It has also given us an example of the kidney transplant. But the issue that these sentences are discussing is the black marketing of organs. So itna to clear ho gaya hai that the overall idea is about organ transplantation and the black marketing behind it. Let us move ahead and solve the first question for it. The first question asks us that which of the following pair of statements should be interchanged so that the set of statements forms a coherent paragraph. Now once we look at all the sentences that are given to us, one begins the passage by talking about the high demand of organs and the low supply. 2 follows by telling us how people turn to the black market to fill this defect. Now 1 and 2 look like that they are in place because they coherently connect to each other and the information flow is appropriate. But wait, now after the first and second, the logical option that should fit in here is statement number 4. Why? Because 4 refers to the black market mentioned in 2 and it tells us the magnitude of it. So the correct order would be 1, 2, 4 and then comes 3 because 3 tells us that the steps that are involved in organ trafficking. 5th is in its correct place. It concludes the passage by referring to this transaction and telling us that it is highly suspect. So the sentences have to be interchanged in the positions 3rd and 4th. This makes option D our correct choice. Not that difficult, right? We just saw that all we had to do is connect the information flow, understand what are the keywords, बात किस बारे में हो रही है, और logically how the information would flow. Once you get that understanding, it's very easy to solve that question. But before we move on and solve the next question, remember, if this question gets incorrect, it'll be very difficult to arrive to the correct answer for the following two questions. But remember, this question is high risk and high reward. All you have to do is get the understanding once, and 3 points are there in your basket ultimately. So guys, we saw that how, although the direction seemed a little confusing, but the question was not that difficult. We could easily do it. All we had to do was understand what are the keywords, what is the context, baat kis bare mein ho rahi hai, and what could be the logical flow of these statements. Now, let us move to our next question. Just make sure that you're using the pair that you just made in the previous question. Do not use the original question and make sure that you're not confused between the two. Let us move on and solve the second question. The second question here says, which of the following statements can logically follow fifth after interchanging the pair to form a meaningful paragraph? Now this is followed by 3 options. Now let us go back to the passage and the one that is interchanged, the third and the fourth positions interchanged, and try to understand and grasp a little bit of context. Statement 1 started the passage and it talked about the high demand of organs and the small supply. 2 had followed 1 by telling us how people turn to the black market to fulfill this deficit. After this, 4th should have followed next as it refers to the black market mentioned in 2. After this, 3 should have followed because it tells us about the steps that are involved in organ trafficking. And 5th had finally concluded the passage by referring to this transaction and telling us that it is highly suspect. Now, the statement that can follow 5th should talk about how the process is not voluntary as it is said to be, because that is exactly what 5th is indicating. तो थोड़ा connection तो बनना चाहिए ना 5th और उसके following statement में. Now when we look at the options, both 1 and 3 talk about how the donors are misinformed at the time of donation, which makes it involuntary. Statement 1 says, illegal organ trade consists of an intricate web of deceit and manipulation that generally exploits impoverished individuals from low-income countries. Again, this refers to how this process is involuntary, illegal, and how the people are misinformed. It correctly connects with the last statement. Moving on, 3rd says, many people who agree to the exchange do not have a background in anatomy or human biology and thus are not well informed of the operation that they will undergo. Again, statement 3 forms logical coherence with the last statement. Hence, 1 and 3 are correct and option C becomes a correct answer. However, statement 2 is incorrect as it talks about how receivers are informed, which connects. But it does not at all talk about the donation process, which would be involuntary. So although in the first go, considering the first half of the second statement, आपको लगेगा that it can connect. But actually once you understand the overall idea of what statement 2 is saying, you know it is saying something on a totally different theme from the 5th statement. Hence it is eliminated. This might have seemed a little difficult, but if you understood the crux of the statements and exactly contemplated what statement 1, 2 and 3 were saying, आपको पता चल जाता कि second was not fitting according to the meaning of the sentence. Let us move on to the next question. Even in our next question, we are asked that which of the following given statements would follow statement 1. Again, you have to consider the final order that you made when solving this question. Let's get started. Here again, let us try to understand the overall idea of the passage as well as statement 1 and statement 2. Why? Because if something is following statement 1, it has to connect to statement 1. But again, in our original sentences, 1 के बाद 2 आया था. So जो बीच वाला statement होगा, that should connect to 1 as well as 2. Statement 1 begins the passage by talking about the high demand of organs and the small supply that is available to people. So, the statement that should follow it should talk about the magnitude of this gap between the demand and the supply. However, statement 2 follows us that how people try to follow this deficit. So, 1 talks about the deficit and 2 talks about fulfilling the deficit, which means the statement in between should talk about the magnitude of this gap. Once you see the statements, all these 3 statements directly talk about the gap between this demand and supply. Hence, all 3 of them would fit in the passage. Statement 1 says, research by the World Health Organization has found that only 1 in 10 people in need of a new organ, the body part most in demand, manages to get one. This statement talks about how bad the situation is and only 1 in 10 people's demand is fulfilled. तो ये तो सही है. The second one, in prosperous and middle income countries, the waiting list for organ transplants grows ever longer as aging populations, hypertension and obesity take their toll. Now this option talks about multiple parameters of problems that are involved with respect to organ transplantation. Hence 2 is also correct. Third says, last year more than 7,000 Americans died while awaiting an organ transplant, almost double the number of American soldiers killed in Iraq since 2003. This statement talks about how grave the issue is. Again, it would fit. This makes all 1, 2 and 3 are correct choice. We saw here that although the question seems time consuming and a little lengthy to solve, it is absolutely easy to do if you get the understanding or the context of the question. But make sure कि आप question directions सही से पढ़ रहे हो. It is very important for us to understand that what exactly the question is asking us of. Again, focus on the understanding. Once you know what the logical flow of information is or how the sentences are connected to each other, by logic, it'll be easy to solve the questions. We hope that this video was useful. Happy learning!